Yo, it's Taco Tuesday! But who has time to cook? Watch this insane 60-second hack.
Grab 3 corn tortillas and leftover chicken. Microwave tortillas with a damp paper towel for 20 seconds. They get super soft.
Shred that chicken. Mix with salsa and taco seasoning.
Stuff them, top with cheese, and microwave. For 45 seconds until it melts perfectly.
Mmm. Crispy edges, juicy chicken, gooey cheese. This beats Chipotle any day. If this blew your mind, like and comment taco for part 2. What's your Taco Tuesday hack? Drop it below.